Okay, everybody, looks like we're doing a Play-Doh thing. Like there's a toy inside of him, and he's just like, I don't care. He doesn't know what's inside of him. Well, I do, but let's get started. First one, we got a purple one, and I'll open the first one, and you can open the second. You only have 3. Okay, we got this. Okay, so who we got? Ooh. So we got Twilight. The next one is another Twilight, but it's a glitter version. Very cool. Got 2 of these. Let's set them over here. Okay. Okay, next time we're gonna do the blue one. One's sticking out already. We got Firecracker Burst. And then, oh my gosh. Next we got we got a Rainbow Dash, but it's a glitter Rainbow Dash. So we got 2 of these. It's cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, next one is the pink one. I think it's gonna be a Pinkie Pie. Maybe. Oh. Okay. Yep, it is a Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie. Got a Pinkie Pie. Scratch on her eye. And the next is not really a pony, but it's still a pony. It's a
Let me see that.
Sunday.
I like that one. It's like a little Sunday.
Let's see what all the ponies we got. The next one, we got a Blue Rainbow Dash that's sparkly. And then Firecracker Burst. And then we got Twilight. And then we got a sparkly Twilight.
Right.
And then we got the Pinkie Pie with a
wonderful.
scratch on her eye. And the next one we got is that.
Here, take it.
He put this in his nose, so I think you see that in the video. But thank you everybody for watching. Maybe we'll do another one next time using the same colors for different ponies. Bye. He's really upset. Bye everybody. Please give a thumbs up. Smash that like button with your own face. Or do it with your own thumb. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
And do a Sonic dance.
Okay, bye everybody. Bye.